This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the options you have for formatting text in Google Docs. While I'll be focusing on Google Docs in this video, please note that the same format options will apply to Google Sheets and Google Slides as well. So in Google Docs, I just put 2 sentences in my document as a demonstration, and I want to show you how you can format the text. In the menu by default, you have the option of bolding text, italicizing text, underlining text, changing the color of the text, as well as highlighting the color of the text. And so let me show you how this works. You can either highlight the text that you wish to change and then go to the tool menu and click the manner in which you want it to be formatted, like I'm doing now. Or you can use keyboard shortcuts, and Google Drive does a good job of telling you what those shortcuts are when you hover the mouse over those formatting options. So for example, if I want to underline this first sentence, what I would need to do is highlight that sentence, and then on a Mac, press Command plus the letter U, and now that sentence has been formatted without me having to lift my hand from the keyboard. You can also change the color of the text by highlighting the text that you wish to change and then clicking this A with a line under it, and there you can change the color of the text. So I'm going to change it to green here. And you can also highlight text as well, which is indicated by this paintbrush. And so what you would need to do is highlight the text that you would want to highlight, and then click the highlight option, and then select your color. And now that text is formatted. There are also other formatting options that are not included in this toolbar. And in order to find that, we need to go to the Format menu and then select Text. And now you see that you have the option of striking through the text. You have the option of using superscripts, and you also have the option of using subscripts as well. And you can also increase the font size here, and you can decrease the font size as well. And one cool feature is that you can actually highlight a series of text and then go to this format menu, and you can change it to be all uppercase. Or if perhaps you wrote something in all capital letters, you can go to the format menu, go to the capitalization tab, and select lowercase. Or if you just want to capitalize the first letter of each word because it's a title or something like that, you can again go to the format menu, select text, and then under capitalization, select title case, and it will change it to the first letter of each word being capitalized. So that is how you format text in Google Docs. And as I said before, this is applicable to Google Sheets and Google Slides as well. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below if you have a question you would like me to address in a future video. And also be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.